Hi everyone and welcome back to Login Science. In today's video, we will be learning how to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, move into WhatsApp. Tap on this three dot at the top right corner. Head over to Settings. Inside Settings, move into Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll get to see the option of blocked contacts. Tap on it. You can see I have blocked 2 people on WhatsApp. In order to remove this contact from your block list, what you have to do is go back and head over to the contact of your device. Search for the contact of the person that you have blocked on WhatsApp. Move into their profile. Tap on three dot at the top right corner. You need to remove the contact from your device, so tap on Delete. Once again, tap on Delete. Now go back and head over to the previous page of WhatsApp. Refresh the page for once. You can see the contact is still there, but the difference is the name has been removed. Here, wanting you to know that the WhatsApp doesn't delete the contact of the person on block list until you unblock them. Because WhatsApp has designed this feature so that you will be able to find the people you have blocked without their phone number. Now you just have to unblock it if you want to remove it from your block list. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to delete blocked contact on WhatsApp. I really hope this video is going to help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.